everyone.
Morning.
How are you? Good.
We have assigned seating, so
Oh,
this is your
okay.
seat here. Let me take your coat.
Oh, thank you.
There you go.
I just want to introduce Mike Schoenhofer, who's the Executive Director of Hardin and Auglaize County Mental Health Recovery Services. He's going to talk about how this might impact our community in some other ways.
This really affects our community, and we all represent our community in so many different ways. And I just kind of thinking how great it is to see all of you here. And I want to first of all say thank you for coming out here and making such a statement in support of this really important initiative. We've lost almost 66% of our funding statewide, and locally that impact has meant about $2 million. $2 million to our Auglaize and Hardin County system. That's almost 30% of our funding. Governor Kasich began the process of rebuilding the safety net last biennium, yet many thousands of people still can't get the services they need. Locally, we've seen a dramatic increase in the number of people going to the state hospital. You know, we used to have 1 or 2 people in the state hospital. Today, it's not unusual for us to have 8 or 10 people in the state hospital. And when we talked about that, we said, well, why? And I tell you the reason. The reason is because we can't afford the case managers who spend the time going out and finding the people who need to stay on their medications. We don't have those people anymore, and so they show up here at Health Partners, they show up at the emergency room at St. Rita's, and they show up in our crisis center. None of us is standing still, though. I mean, it's not a matter that our hands are tied. Health Partners has instituted behavioral health care. St. Rita's has a behavioral access care. We've expanded our CSU to 16 beds, crisis stabilization to 16 beds, and already that's filling up. It's not like we're standing still, but all of that is at risk if we don't really take the step that we need to take to expand Medicaid, to really serve those folks who need our help so badly. Governor Kasich's bold and courageous step, and I really want to underline that, it was a courageous step for a Republican governor to propose expanding Medicaid to 138% poverty. Will provide the single largest investment in mental health and addiction treatment system in over a decade. The lives of thousands of Ohioans and their families are depending on our legislators to do the right thing and to expand Medicaid. Thanks very much.